Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto pasta salad. Start by boiling 12 ounces of pasta to al dente, drain, and cool quickly under cold water to stop cooking. Toss the cooled pasta with 1 cup of pesto, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon. Fold in cherry tomatoes, sliced olives, and fresh basil, then chill briefly before serving for Gather simple ingredients: pasta, pesto, veggies, optional protein, cheese, and lemon. Cook pasta until al dente, then cool it to keep the pesto fresh and glossy. Combine measured pesto with a bit of olive oil if needed to loosen the texture. Stir in chopped veggies and protein, and taste for salt, pepper, or an extra squeeze of lemon to brighten flavors before chilling for serving. Tossing is simple and forgiving, so relax and taste as you go. Mix the cooled pasta with pesto in a warm bowl so the sauce spreads evenly, then fold in vegetables and any cooked protein. Adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, and lemon, and chill for 20 to 30 minutes to let flavors meld, or serve right away if you prefer a brighter, more rustic bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.